All right, so here we are, bright and early, outside the Hotel Ziggy. Checked in yesterday. Everything's been really smooth so far. I gotta say, place is really nice. And yeah, absolutely peaceful rest. Staff is really nice. So I'm gonna take a walk this morning here on the strip. Figured I'd shoot some stuff so you could see it. So yeah, let's go for a walk. Let's do some exercise. First thing I see right in front of me, of course, is the pink dot. You may remember hearing about them in the movie Swingers if you're not from out here. Pink dot will deliver cigarettes, beer, potato chips, whatever. Pretty cool Kobe Bryant they had painted some years ago right after his passing. Yeah, if you need it, they will deliver it to you, and quick. Got the Fred Siegel store over there. It's not his original one. It moved here many years ago, but he started his company with a tiny, tiny, tiny jean store called Pants America. And he just passed a few years ago, but he did a whole lot of stuff for fashion here in the city, and especially West Hollywood. People absolutely love that store, and if you can afford something from there, you're very lucky, because it is not an inexpensive place to walk into. Little strip mall here. I don't think I've ever been in there for any reason, so I don't know what's in there. Off to my left here is the AKA Hotel. I've never stayed with them, so I don't know a whole lot about that place. But you'll see the huge billboards for everything here. I mean, that's what the Sunset Strip is known for. So these things are massive and take up the entire side of buildings. That's happened, shoot, since I lived here many years ago. That's never changed. Of course, we don't have the Marlboro Man anymore. He was always my favorite. Get it? They've been saying now for quite some time that that whole strip is getting tore down and another high-rise is coming. Who knows? They're still booking shows. They still have their fun nights at Viper Room. So come see it while you can if that's your thing. Rest in peace, River. Of course, the Hustler store's here, in case you want to get anything for the wife or, you know, girlfriend while you're here. It's up to you. All right, Clark Street, here you are. Whiskey a go-go. If I need to tell you about this place, then you really need to get your life together. Get your life right. Been here forever. Started many a band's career. Doors were a house band. Motley Crue, all of them played. Guns N' Roses. And a few of them lived right up here in these apartments and used to just stumble down the hill and back up the hill hammered. Play guitars real loud. Sunset Strip Star Walk, Van Halen. Van Halen Outstanding Contribution to Music, 1995. Oh, it's an iconic landmark. I know that because it says so in 8 places outside, so. And in case you're looking for an automobile while you're in town, specialty car collection. Been here a long time. They don't have any Priuses in there. They certainly don't have any Fiat 500s or anything like that. You have to ask how much. You can't afford it. By appointment only. Hey, got some flowers on the ground for you. It's another billboard I just want to show you. So I have no idea how many stories this building is. It's every bit of 20. But from the bottom floor all the way to the top. We're here. Pride is here for good on HBO. Tune in. Don't want to be late. Old Smitty is trucking this morning. We're making good time. Of course, there's Nobody out and about either, so may have a little bit to do with it. All right, next stop, Roxy Theater. Been here a long time, pretty popular place. Just like the whiskey. I'm almost positive it's the same owners as well as the whiskey. On the Rocks, the little bar upstairs, that's where your famous people go to hide and socialize and watch the show and whatnot from. Rainbow Bar and Grill. They are not open yet this morning, of course. Rock and roll history right here. Lemmy's daily stomping grounds to play the one-armed bandit at the bar, having a refreshing adult beverage. Alright, Smitty's going to start heading back towards the hotel. Most importantly, I've got to hit dialogue. Oh, and now that sun. Going to be a bit too bright for us. All right, so we had to pause briefly for sun. But yeah, now you might be able to see those signs a little better. Please keep away 3 feet from glass. Hold, please. All right, sorry about that. Had to turn some music off I was listening to. Wouldn't want that to impede on our time together. I love how people walk their dogs here. Not all of them, but I guess in any city, there's always people that just don't clean up after their animals. Sweet green. Sweet greens. These shorts are going to be the death of me. Pretty neat view down. That's Altaloma. Just a couple blocks to the hotel. We'll have a little breakfast, some coffee, see where the day takes us.